My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube. I know the first thing you're looking at is not me. You're not hearing me. You're looking at the shit show that I have behind me. So why is this shit show happening? Well, simple. I am moving, and this is the best view you have. I'm moving from my condo to the house that I've had in Sebring, Florida for many years, and I'm glad I'm getting out of here. So pretend that I am sitting on the beach right now and you're hearing what I'm saying. You know, many people, oh, by the way, I'm a former IRS agent. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked at IRS for 10 long years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. I've been on every major news station for an interview. Fox twice, ABC, The Briefing Room, NBC, News Nation, Newsmax, a whole bunch of others. Just check my website out and you'll find out. You know, tax resolution industry, people have a bad name. And that's because of all the marketing and all the gimmicks and the advertising they do. It's not right. And the people you speak to, most of the time, if not all of the time, are salespeople, and they don't know what the hell they're doing. They're making a commission, hustling you, trying to have you sign a contract the very first day. And if they're trying to have you sign a contract and hustling you, you know you're speaking to a salesperson who has no idea what they're speaking about. And if these are big box firms that you see advertising all over the place, they have $250,000 a month in a budget just to market and advertise. You're probably good chances you're not going to get your work done efficiently. Why? Well, they spend all their money on salespeople and marketing and advertising, and the people who do the work they don't make any money. Matter of fact, they're usually people in training and tax resolution. They can't handle their inventories, and very few know what the hell they're doing. I know this because I have a few of those people actually that I know well as friends, and that's what they're doing. They're just learning in that vertical so they can open up their own shop, but they're crap. So I want to just tell you right now, if in fact you are looking for a tax resolution company, here's the very big news. Please listen. I've done this for 51 years. I've been in this vertical that long. And I was the IRS at one point. I worked there 10 years. So you're speaking to a former agent who was the IRS. Hire a person. Do not hire a company. Company gives you false advertising, false marketing. You call them and you think that that company knows everything because of what they're telling you on the phone. Most say, oh, I can settle your case. I can do this. I can remove penalties and interest. 90% of that is all crap, and don't believe any of it. The reason is you're speaking to an agency of salespeople. Call a person. Highlight and pick out a person who does tax resolution. They've been in the business at least 10 years, okay? They have a good industry rating. They know what the hell they're doing. I have on my team tax attorneys, CPAs. Anytime you got an IRS problem, it's going to someone on my team who's a former IRS agent. Why? Former IRS agents know the system. If you're looking for a tax resolution company, there are good ones, just not the big box company. If you need me to work a case, look at a case, do an evaluation, you're welcome to call me. I answer all the phone calls for my company. You're welcome to call me anytime. Give me a subscription. I always tell you the spot on God's truth. Thank you, and thank you for the subscription.